Now, for you to remove black bars in a video, especially vertical videos, you just come here. Maybe you're going to use in social media like YouTube Shorts, Instagram. Just come to portraits here in Filmora. Then just come here, insert your video. Just come here. Just insert this video here. Then I'll just drop it there. Now you realize there's this black spots here which you don't want in your video. So what do? How do you remove it? You just come here under effects, then you look for something called basic blur. So just tap here basic blur. Yeah, here it is. Then you just give it some time. Then there are many of them here. Maybe you can try this. You just pull it here. Then you see now this black spot is gone. Yeah, you can delete it. You just come back. You can even try this one, this gray one. So you look for the one that is more suitable for you. You can also try this one here. I don't think this one is good, but you can try many of them. Here they are. You can try, but for professional look, always use basic blur. So I'll just do that. Just like that. That's how to remove the black spots or black bars in this area. See you in the next video.